All right, we are on day 3. I am terrible at recording, but got a lot done. We got a lot of the structure done, and also we got most of our bridge done. We got a few things left to do over here. We've got to get this in, add some more supports across over here, but this side is nice and sturdy. We branched over to that side. We got most of this. We got our picked up a bunch of this corrugated from somebody off Facebook that donated. Got a ton of stuff. This is our pirate ship area, and I mean, it's looking pretty good so far. Got the pool completely drained. Got a little bit left to drain down there, obviously. Gonna clean that out, pump the rest of it. So far it's coming along. We got our braces up here to support over to the fence, but I mean, this stuff is super sturdy. Got a bunch of other stuff from the guy we got the corrugated from that, I mean, just some awesome haunted house stuff. So it's coming along. I'm gonna go today, pick up some more stuff, hopefully get the remainder of the structure built today. We got 1 month exactly until Halloween. We just realized that Friday the 13th is in October this year, so we might try to have a soft opening on Friday the 13th. Not sure if we're going to be completely done by then, but if we are, we're definitely going to open that day. We still have to finish framing all of this side, and we changed it up a little bit. Instead of going straight through here to the circus, that's going to be the circus, we're going to come down. We're going to utilize some of this space, come down and around, and then go into the circus. Got to go through all this stuff, a bunch of this stuff. We bought some, and a lot was donated. All these bags were donated. They're all stuffed animals, which they're going to be awesome for one of the rooms that we have. And then still haven't got our way over here. So if you can see, we still got to clear out the bullpen batting cage area, get this set up. And then we still got framing from there all the way through here that we got to do, which shouldn't take that much longer. So I'm hoping we can have that done today, start getting our black walls put on, and then we should be good to go.
I do not want to pull out on my head.
Zipper in, cutter on it.
Oh my God.
I didn't do my homework. I have to go. Yeah. My mom's chasing me.
Ugh. Day, what number day are we on?
4.
Day 4. Bridge is almost done. We disassembled the whole bridge and decided to redo it. A lot better, and it's a lot more stable now. So here's our new bridge.
Put in comparison, we have 1,000 pounds on here now. Cameron only weighs 100.
A lot better. Getting in some side supports. Adding in some windows. This chain is so over here, when they're looking out of here, we're gonna have a guy walking off a plank right there. Still working on that. Gonna finish up the bridge and then make our way to this area and hopefully finish the rest of the structure.
That's what you want to do.
Yeah, got it. Okay, end of day 4. Well, we're not done yet. We're gonna still keep doing stuff. The layout is done. We have mostly all the walls up. Cameron's still back there working on supports right now. Bridge is done. The complete layout is done. I'm gonna give you guys a little walkthrough. Look at this guy. Oh, he's putting in work. Got entrance again. The gate will be open here, so you won't be able to walk this way. You'll immediately have to go right. Don't mind, we still got stuff everywhere, and we're kind of just placing certain things where we think we want them. So we're gonna have to build this guy a platform, come around, down, through here. Again, there will be a wall that goes from here to over there, so you won't be able to see any of this. This will be open. Then this is a scarer hallway, so this will be completely blacked out on all sides, and a person will be able to come up and down and do different things on both sides of this. So come down. This area is going to be our meat locker. We're still debating if we're going to do a door right here, kind of like a fridge door type deal. Come down, and then this will all be blocked off on this side. Then again, we're still debating on a door right here. You see we got that door. We're debating on putting that here to enter into the pirate ship. So once you come in here, you can see our kind of our layout of different things to make it pirate ship-ish. Our chain I showed you guys before. Come around. See, and all this stuff will be blocked off, so you'll be able to see through that window over there. You'll be able to see through the chains. Then you'll be able to see through here into the pool. Then you'll come onto the bridge, which we still got to add our vertical supports through here, which are going to run all the way down to the base, up, and then across, so that we'll have a full enclosure here. So this whole side will be blocked off completely. The roof will be blocked off completely, and then you'll be able to see through where this 2x4 is. We're going to add another rail right there. You'll be able to see into the pool, which we're going to set a scene right here, which we're still working on, but we put a purpose to all those blocks that were donated, and we're going to have some sort of pirate zombie fight type deal for gold down there. And then Cameron's cutting wood right now. You'll come off the bridge, enter here, and then this area is not going to have any hard walls. It's going to be mostly plastic to block off the area. And then you'll come down this way, and this is the area that we changed. So we changed this side. Look, even Kaylee's out here putting in work. We changed this side to go down to utilize this space, and we're going to leave this back area open over here so that a scarer can get back and forth if they need to and come to over here. This will all be blocked off, hard wall right here. And you come around.
Where do you need to go back over there?
Down this way, and now you'll be entering into the circus. So we're actually, this was donated too, but we're going to change the colors, make it more circus-like, you know, red and white, and make it look fun, and then probably turn these guys into dead clowns. And then we're going to put another small support right here so that you're forced to walk around down, and now you're entering into the circus. Circus is going to go this way. This will all be tarped off. We're going to build a stage right here. We got a big animatronic that does a lot of stuff, and he sprays and he does some cool stuff. So we're going to put him there. Then you'll come around, and this is going to be the exit of the fair. So we're going to have like fair food and zombie eyes and things, and we still don't know yet. We're trying to figure out the end part. Come around down this way, and then you enter the batting cage area again, and we're going to put some supports and stuff coming out so that you have to zigzag through it. But we cut off the garage. We're not doing the garage anymore. We're gonna go straight out of the fence right there. Hey kid, you see Carson in there playing his game. He helped a lot today. He was in the pool with me today getting water out and shoveling, and he did a lot today, so he's finally relaxing. All right, so we are at the end of day 4 now. Before it gets dark, I wanted to show you guys kind of what we got. I'm up on my fence right now so you guys can kind of get a feel. You can't really see everything, but we started putting walls up and We got a lot done today. The whole perimeter or layout is all done. All the walls are up. Now we're adding reinforcement and putting up like this corrugated and the plastic, and we added all these other supports to go across to the fence. She's already starting to decorate. That's her thing. We got to add the roof, but we're a few weeks away still, so we're gonna wait to put the roof on because we got some wind and we don't want it to blow off and have to redo it. We'll be back tomorrow. More pirate ship stuff.